So cold or heat? Heat or ice, which one should I apply to my back when I have pain? Well, this all very much depends on what is causing the pain in your back. If the pain in your back is a muscular issue, then you want to use heat. The reason being is that heat is going to increase blood flow to the muscle and increase the healing process. If, however, your issue is an inflammatory issue, such as a joint dysfunction, then ice is going to be the desired choice because that's the application that is going to decrease the inflammation within that joint and make you feel better. It is, however, important to know exactly what's causing your back pain so that you can apply the correct application. So if you're not sure which one to use, definitely use ice. How long you should use it for each day? 10 minutes application, 10 minutes off, 10 minutes on again. And twice a day until you start feeling better.